Alright guys, it's going pretty well. My mom's here helping us. She's gonna be running the camera a little bit. But there's a before and after of our gutters. This house probably hasn't been washed since it was made, so this is a pretty cool transformation. But I didn't bring my long ladder, so I don't have as good as leverage as I normally would. The other gutters are gonna be trickier to reach, so I'm contemplating coming back a different day with the longer ladder and doing the gutters on the top side of the roof over there. But anyway, let's get back to it. All right, we're moving to the back. Gonna get all of our equipment. I don't wanna stop the water. All right, now that that's done, we need to haul all of our equipment to the back of the house. Shut off valve. We're just gonna go a little bit of. So here's what we got to work with. We have these wood, so we're probably gonna have to spray down the railing. I'm also gonna do that. Over here is the hose. We're gonna have to spray around all the furniture because we're not gonna move it. But yeah, see, there's just all the grime and dirt. So we're gonna do a quick pre-treat here, and then we'll give it a spray. We're probably gonna do the railing first, and then we'll go from there. So we're done the second side of the house. We're starting the second side. We're doing the railing. It's pretty tricky because there's lots of plants, and our pressure water like kills all the plants, so it's tricky. The last two sides should be pretty easy though. Yeah, there's not much to it, but there's plants in the way, so it's not going to be a 100% great. But looking into the future of the pressure washing and window washing business, we're definitely gonna upgrade our pressure washer to maybe like a 3,000 or 3,500 psi. Hopefully a higher GPM, because we have to be like an inch away from the wall every single time we wash anything. So it's pretty tricky, but we should be able to upgrade pretty soon. So we're done the third side of the house. We have one more side to do. That side is going to be pretty tricky. So, and my camera's almost out of battery. So I don't have any more batteries. So if you want more video, support the channel. I need more batteries. Okay. This last side is gonna be pretty tricky. It's pretty tall. I don't have a taller ladder than 8 foot, so I think we're probably just gonna leave most of it and then do the bottom half. The bottom half is probably the worst off. There's a couple of bad places up at the top, but we're gonna have to leave those because we do not have the equipment to facilitate that. In the top left corner, that's where there's a lot of dirt. So we're gonna have to do the bottom next, and then yeah, I'm gonna move all the equipment over to this side, and we'll do what we can do. Okay, we just finished all the pressure washing. Now we just gotta go do the windows. My mom is finishing off the deck. Then we'll be done and we can go home. Well, we finished the job. We're back at the house. Just gotta unload everything. And then, I don't know, I think I'm gonna do some book work.